I remember opening Resolve Multicam page for the first time and I was just staring at it. Then no panel, stuff that I don't even understand yet. Like, man, I wasted so much time and it hit me so hard. The software was never the hard part. The hard part is knowing how to sync footage and cut them with rhythm. Once that click, I did the same thing in CapCut. Same result and less headache. Alright, step 1. Right, so once you open up the CapCut interface, you're going to import the footage that you want to create a multicam sequence for. Right, so open this. I'm going to videos. These two footage are the same person but they're shot in different angles, and the two of them are approximately the same time. So I'm going to select the two. Now we have it in our media panel. We have it in our media panel or CapCut. So the next thing I need to do now is to select the two. So select the two. Then I'll right click on it and click on this option, create multicam. Then you leave this sync settings to auto, and if it is a 4K video, if it's a 4K video and your PC can't really play at full render time, you can turn on this proxy to minimize to make your workflow faster. Then you press create. Then you wait for CapCut to finish the process. Cool. And now it has created the multicam for us in just one single timeline. That is pretty cool and pretty fast. Alright, so let me quickly explain what is happening for you in this interface. Right? Okay, at the left hand side we have where our camera is located. So the camera is going to hold the angles, different angles that you are shooting, and this is the main review. So let's watch the magic. If I click on this one is 01 and this is 02. If I click on this, automatically if you check down, the timeline is going to change to the other camera, which is 2. Have you seen how crazy this is? Alright, so back to 1. The whole timeline here again is going to change. So as you are doing that sequentially, it's going to be changing sequentially too. Alright, so let me show you how you can now mix the footage together on your timeline. This is a talking head video and I want to start it with the main angle, which is the O2. Back to this. Then once I start playing,
2 years ago I designed a home.
So once this is playing like this and I want to switch to the other camera, I'm going to click on
2 years ago I designed the asset in this home as a prototype.
So what you notice is that anytime you are going and you want to switch from A to B, once you click on it, it automatically creates a cut in your timeline like this. And if you have played and passed and you want to still change back the angle of the camera, what you just need to do is to come back to where you want to change. Okay, next I want to this part, I want to change it. So you select it. You want to select it like this and click on the camera I want to change it to, it automatically change. But once this is not selected and you click on it, let me show what is going to happen. This is it, unselected, but I have the cursor around this area. So what you're just going to basically do is to, once you click on it, it's going to create a cut at that area. But if you want to change this whole angle in this timeline, this particular timeline that I'm clicking, then you want to change the whole angle, you highlight it, you click on it, and then you change the angle like this. Without this selected, it's going to create a cut, giving you another option for you to change the angle at that particular point to something else. So you can see that this is very pretty simple to do, and it's almost the same workflow that we have here that we also have in Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. Whereas you don't need to do much stuff, much edit. You don't need to have much edit if you are doing multicam sequence for your talking head videos and podcast. So you continue like that, then you watch and you create cuts. You watch.
2 years ago, I designed this home as an alternative to modern
So you do this according to the rhythm. You do it according to the rhythm so that you can get the best results. Okay, if this video has helped you to solve a problem kindly like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be dropping more editing tutorials every week for you to learn one or two. Alright, until then, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.